Welcome to Success in English channel. Today we are going to see more examples for question tags to understand the concept well. They study well. First, you all remember that the formula for question tag is auxiliary verb plus not may come or may not come plus pronoun. First step is to find auxiliary verb. They study well. Is there any auxiliary directly? No. So, get into the main verb study. In this study, we have the primary auxiliary do. So, let us write the auxiliary. Always question tag starts with small letter. So, in the study present tense verb, do is there. In the present tense verb, do is there. Now, no negative words are present. So, we have to put N apostrophe T. What is the pronoun? They. So, don't they is the tag for first sentence. See the second one. She cooks well. Here also direct auxiliary verb is not seen. Consider the main verb ends with yes or yes. Therefore, primary auxiliary. Which will be the primary auxiliary here? Yes, does. So, we have to put does. Negative words are not present. So, not in short form. Here pronoun is she. So, doesn't she. Can you understand? Next, it is all my fate. Here, is given the auxiliary verb. So, we can write that is. No negative words are present. So, not should be written. Isn't it? I have planned for a tour. Here, have is the perfect auxiliaries. You have learnt it. Has, have, had. So, have is the auxiliary verb. No negative words again. So, not should be written in the tag. Haven't. Pronoun is I. Haven't I. He need not get up early. Here, need is a quasi-modal auxiliary verb and not negative word is present. So, in the tag not should not be written. So, write the auxiliary verb need as not is given here. The tag must not contain not. Put the pronoun he. Need he. Sweetie is not ready. Here auxiliary verb is yes. Negative word is present. So, tag should not contain negative word not. Is she will be the answer. Next, he never fails in his duty. Here negative word is never. So, in the tag not will not be present. Now, consider the main verb fails because step 1 is to find the auxiliary verb. In the primary auxiliary, in this verb fails, what is the primary auxiliary? Hidden does. So, does. Not should we put? No, because never is a negative word. So, not will not come. Does he? Next, let's go for a movie. Always the sentence which starts with let's will have a tag shall we. Next one, their children sing well. Here, sing is the verb and the primary auxiliary hidden is do. So, we have to write do. Short form of not, don't. Why we are putting not? Because no negative word is present in this sentence. Don't. Their children plural. So, pronoun will be they. Come with me. Here come is an imperative sentence. Command. A verb is being started. So, in this come, since that is an imperative sentence, we have to put will you. Catch this quick. Again, this is an imperative sentence but urgent request. If the imperative sentence urgent request is asked, we have to put the tag won't you. Can you understand it? Next, Raj went home. In this auxiliary verb, went, primary auxiliary hidden is did. Because went can be written as did plus go. Do you remember? So, in this primary auxiliary is did, not should be written because no negative word is present in the sentence. Raj is male, put the pronoun he. Thank you.